guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Hey guys, so something very interesting has happened. I took the phone back to JB HiFi, which is where I bought it from, and they took the phone away for a week and a half and gave me a replacement phone. So obviously it was a warranty issue. Not sure exactly what went wrong. Was it the Android 12 update, or was it just something wrong with the hardware? But I got a brand new phone. So now I'm going to show you me unboxing this phone. Notice that it is the same Pixel 4a 5G 128 gig refurbished. Okay, so there it is. A refurbished phone. Let's have a look. Alright, so still inside the plastic sleeve. Everything looks good from the back. The front is probably going to be the most important part. And it looks good. Okay, can't see any scratches, so can't complain. Doesn't seem to be any scratches. Alright, so now let's just see if this new phone works. I guess I'll have to. Oh, it's already got power. That's a good start. Welcome to your Pixel. Okay, so I gotta go through the whole thing again. Seems to be quite a bit of power, so we might as well get started. Connect to mobile network. Okay, let's put my SIM card in. So here's my temporary Xiaomi Redmi 6, if you guys remember this phone, making a guest appearance. If it wasn't for this phone, I wouldn't have survived an hour and a half. So thank you, Xiaomi. Obviously, the phone is pretty old, so it's not as good as this Pixel 4a 5G. So there's a SIM card there. Open this up. Okay, connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, obviously the touch is feeling really good. Now it'll be interesting if this already has Android 12 on it. Okay, copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google Contact, and more. Next. You need your old Android phone. Can't use old device. Okay, sign in with my username and password. I'll do that. Hopefully it can get all the backup data from my Google One. There it is. Restore the data from an old device. Alright, all here. Restore. Okay, just restore everything. Now, yep, just restore everything. See if the phone will still work. Restore it. Back up to Google Drive. Yeah, who cares? I mean, I have the data now. Pixel imprint, got to do that again. So touch the sensor at the back again. Without unlocking your phone, access your assistant. I've run into trouble with this before. Okay, I've run into trouble with this before. But it is more convenient when you're in the car or something like that. There's ups and downs to both. If you enable it, you'll get your phone easier without unlocking it, but sometimes you might accidentally unlock. So I'm going to not allow it for now. Just to be more secure. Swipe to navigate your phone. Okay, I already know it, but swipe up from the bottom. What's it doing? Okay. Okay. So it's pretty much gone back to exactly the way it was before. Right? All my messages seem to be there. Right, my calendar, everything seems to be there. Alright, and let's check whether this is Android 12. Okay, the most important part of the whole thing, check what version of Android this is. About phone. Android version 12. So they gave me a phone that's already updated. Alright, well thanks Google, thanks JB HiFi, it's finally working. See you guys next time.